got a nice treat for you today. It's a shame you're not in school. I've even got gloves on for the occasion. The heart is part of what we call our double circulatory system, and it's the organ that pumps the blood that we've been learning about around our body. And we call it a double circulatory system because actually there's two sides of the heart, and I'm hoping you know this already. There's a side that pumps oxygenated blood, and there's a side that pumps deoxygenated blood. And it pumps blood to two places, hence the word double.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is a very large heart. Here's my hand, just to put it into perspective. If I open it up, you can see we're looking straight into the ventricles there, all right? This is a very, very thick side of the heart. So this side pumps blood, is the left side, that pumps blood to the body. This side is the thinner side. Look, you can almost see it's thinner by pinching it. Right, it's much thinner. Right, so you can see I've just cut into the side of the ventricle wall, and it's very, very thin. This is a muscle that holds it together, because you've got to imagine that normally this heart is full of blood. So in order to kind of keep the shape and assist in the contraction, you've got a muscle there, and you can see there's kind of muscles all around. This side is the left ventricle with very, very thick walls, and this side is the right ventricle with much, much thinner walls. And so that it's the right side pumps blood to the lungs, which are very close, so the wall doesn't have to be as thick, and the left side pumps blood to the whole body, so it's very thick and very muscular to provide the force required.